Introduce highlight features and quick overview of 2021 new technology Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer 40in Probe. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. The Instant Read Meat Thermometer with high precision sensor and food-grade probes can measure temperature within 2 to 3 seconds, and is accurate to plus or minus 1 degrees with a wide range of minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit to about 716 degrees Fahrenheit. No longer waiting near hot grill and oven. Get rid of overdone or undercooked food. Perfectly cook your beef, chicken, pork, fish, lamb, and turkey. No more guesswork. This cooking thermometer has a built-in delicious temperature guide and smart alarm for cooking. Don't need to check the temp constantly. Preset your desired food temperature or time for your grill, oven, or smoker. You will be reminded when food thermometer will flash and beep if the temperature or time ever goes out your set range. So you can do anything while cooking. Make the most delicious turkey on Thanksgiving with this thermometer. Large LCD touchscreen display with bright backlight to quickly and clearly get the temperature readings from any angle, and easy to read with backlit display even in dim light. Easy operating the digital thermometer with unique sensitive touch screen. With 2 strong magnets, the thermometer can be firmly attached to the fridge or oven easily. The probe wire is designed to withstand high temperature up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit, and low down to minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. The probe wire is oven safe. With 42-inch long wire you can detect the temperature in your oven/grill/smoker without open it. Monitoring the temperature in no time and make sure you don't miss the point. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.